Hey guys, I'm back again with another video while we're all stuck in quarantine. My quarantine in my state was extended until May 20th, and so I'm trying to do everything I can to make this spicy. I'm obsessed with TikTok. I know, at my age, I am obsessed with an app that is mostly geared towards high schoolers, but that's fine. That's my truth. And I came across this one TikTok where this girl was like, I tint my eyebrows using just for men, you know, like for men who are kind of vain and don't want to either like accept that they're going old, and so they'll just dye just their beard. And I got mine's in the M-45, basically dark brown, just because like even though my hair is more, if you wear weaves, I'm definitely like I tend to buy one, the color 1 or 1B sometimes, and like sometimes like 1 can be really harsh on your skin. It doesn't look as natural, and 1B is more of the natural black, and so that's why I chose dark brown, because I'm just like I don't need to be walking around with like some stark jet black eyebrows, even though I've only gone to my house and to my local Target. I don't need to do that. So we are going to use it. It seemed pretty easy enough. I'll attach her TikTok in this video. I used to tint my eyebrows. If you're like me, you're probably a victim of over plucking in the early 2000s. And thin brows are all the wave. And like you've noticed that I do fill my eyebrows when I do come on camera a little bit thicker because I do not have thick brows. I mean, I did clean them up, like, you know, just like the sparse hairs and stuff like that. But I have this, which was just like $8 and some change at my local Walmart. An angled brush that I don't really use, and then I just have makeup wipes that I'm going to use to wipe off the dye. Essentially, I'm dyeing my eyebrows to an extent. I kind of want to, I don't know. Like, I want natural looking brows that doesn't require me, like, I spend at least a solid 10 minutes on brows, like, honest to God. Okay, so the instructions. Okay, so in the video, she did use a lot of product, but because my eyebrows are kind of thinner than hers, I'm using less. So I don't know if you can see, but I'm using equal parts developer in the color, which is M4. I'm like kind of nervous because if I fuck up, I'm gonna be walking around. You know what? Now you're just gonna mix the product. Ooh, Chile. Mix it, mix it, mix it. I really hope I don't fuck up my brows. Like I really hope I don't fuck them up. I'm gonna add a little bit more color and a little bit more developer just because. Rather be safe than sorry. I did add some petroleum jelly just below my eyebrow so they don't get stained. Yeah. That's about it. So they also recommended using gloves, but I'm just like, I mean, granted, I'm not a man putting this on my beard, putting this on my brows. And this is just so much cheaper than the eyebrow tinting on Amazon, which was like $20. And because we're under quarantine, we never know when it's gonna be fucking delivered. So it's like, this was just already there. Sounds very weird. Okay. All right, kind of fucking nervous. So here is my end product. And now we're just going to apply. I'm going to do this the way I would do my normal brows. I start in the middle. If you heal children in the back, my sister is an online tutor. Oh, that's too much product. Too much. Definitely trying to get some dye at the ends, at the tails of my eyebrow, just because I don't have any. That's kind of where I spend most of my time when I'm filling in my brows naturally, so. Under. No, I'm just gonna. I hope these take because I'd be pissed. This was, I'm sorry, $8 don't sound like a lot when you have enough money, but anyway, TikTok made me do it. TikTok. I'm obsessed with TikTok. Kind of want to do the little dance for the Savage, because for my queen Megan. Hope everyone's having a good time. I've noticed an influx of followers, but then I forgot that AUA was starting again. So I've gotten a lot of people watching my videos and sending me DMs, and I'm just like, okay. Ooh. Am I drunk or is this doing something? You can tell me if I'm drunk. The only downside to doing quarantine by yourself, I mean, not like with family instead of by yourself, is I can't spend my days drunk, because then my mom will call some type of family intervention. Also, to the people who follow me solely for the AUA videos, those videos that you see on my channel are the only content you're gonna get about med school at this very moment. You know, I'll drop my social, but I'm not gonna do the research for you. Like, I've noticed a lot of y'all don't want to do the research. I'm just like, listen here, sis. If you are asking me to like hold your hand during the process, I don't know if this is for you. No shade, no tea, no cap. But you're not gonna use me as your fucking lab rat to just like do the research. Like, there's a whole AUA hashtag. Could literally put you in contact with like 20,000 other AUA students who give a fuck. These look a little wild to me. Like, I just kind of want to cut down my makeup routine. Like, I'm trying to go for that natural glam. I can do like beat for the guys. I can't seem to really fucking do subtle. I think that's my issue most of the time. Like, you want to be subtle. I think dark brown was the right choice, personally. Good God. Okay. I want to stop. It's funny because I help my mom do her. I dye her hair every once in a while, so this feels very weird that I'm not doing it on myself. Anyway, we're gonna let that rest. But yeah, you're gonna put this on, leave this on for 5 minutes, and then wash them off. So stay tuned. Okay, so this was successful. I know that my brows look more prominent. They look like I filled them in, but listen, y'all, I will no longer be going to the eyebrow place, the eyebrow lady, to get them tinted when I can do them myself. 10 out of 10, okay? It's cheap. You can do it in your home. Honestly, this is about to just, I mean, you hit the concealer underneath it, bitch. Try me. I'm playing, but I'm not gonna stay here in front. I did do 2 like sessions of the tint, like back to back. Like, I had it on for 5 minutes one time, and then I was like, okay, I like it, but I had to get the shaping, because you know that's what matters, the shaping, not like the coloring, if that makes sense. Like, I wanted my shape to be how it would look if I filled them in. So I went to my bathroom. I kind of like, I got up in there. Like, I even got the tails. Like, I mean, these are fixable with concealer for like, listen, 5+ minutes. I mean, I was on TikTok scrolling, so like the 5 minutes kind of went by real fast, and I was like, I'm in the middle of something. But seriously, y'all, like, I'm gonna add a before and after picture just so you can see what my brows look like before without the tint, and like now of like 2 sessions of the tint. Listen here, the eyebrow lady, you out of business. It's done. It's a wrap for you. Wrap it up. Would recommend. I'm gonna include the TikTok at the end. You guys should follow her. She's really great. Yeah, definitely. Like, who am I, bitch? That bitch. Period. Okay, so please stay home. Let's flatten the curve. I hope everyone's trying to be productive or just doing something that takes your mind off the fact that you are in quarantine still. For the people who are here for AUA content, I ain't gonna post no more. I mean, I'm thinking about asking all of my friends for advice on like how they should navigate AUA. You know, like how to navigate AUA from an AUA perspective. So I'm definitely gonna try to curate that. But the videos that you see on this channel about AUA, that is it. That is it. I am no longer a student at AUA, so anything I tell you is probably very dated at this point because they're changing the curriculum and Corona fucked a lot of people over. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up, like, subscribe. Let's chit chat in the comments. Compliment me on my new glasses. Thanks. All right, stay safe, babes.